It is one of the most common questions that we get after an installation is about watering and how long you're supposed to water. Now, the reality of this question and why it's extremely hard to answer is because every lawn, as well as every type of grass and every time of season, has different watering requirements. A big thing to be aware of is first, what is the water pressure on your actual watering system? That's a huge variable that a lot of people don't account for. But then on top of that, different grasses might have minor to different watering needs. And then the biggest one of all impact is going to be the actual weather. If it's 90-degree days, then you're probably going to be wanting to water 2 to 3 times a day, 30, 40 minutes at a time per zone. But again, that's extremely variable based upon your watering pressure. What I would point you in the direction of is rather to look at the actual watering impact. So when you're watering your lawn, a great rule of thumb is to set out a little tuna can or something close to it that allows you to measure the amount of water that you're actually getting per session. Ideally, you're watering about 1 inch to half an inch during that period of time, so half a can to a full can during each watering session. So it's better to account for the variables and the nuances of your own property and your own watering setup than try to get married to an exact time of how long you should water. But usually after the first day to 2 days of learning how your watering timing plays out, as long as you're getting that sod to that nice spongy state, you've watered enough, you can stop watering for that time. And then again, depending upon weather, that will determine how long it takes to dry out, therefore how many times often you need to water per day.